In this tutorial, I'm going to be using layer mask and clipping mask to achieve something like this, and this is coming up next. Hey guys, it's your boy Elio GFX and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. Trust me, you will never regret doing that. Alright, without any further ado, let's get right into the business of the day. Okay, now we said we are going to design something like this. So let's go to our file to create a new file. I'm going to create a new file. And make it 1800 by 1800. You can make it 300 resolution, 720, anyone you like, 72 rather, any of the resolution you want to use. Then we make it RGB color because we are going to be pasting it online. It's not printing. Then we are going to come here and click on create. I'm going to create it. Alright, this is our working space. Don't mind my interface because it's black. I change it myself. Your own interface will actually be white. If it's white, good. There's nothing to be worried about. We are still going to achieve the same result. This is why I changed it. Alright, now the first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to import our project file. I will either come to this place and click on place link, then I'll look for my project file from here. But I won't be going through all those processes. I'll just come to this place rather. I'll come to my file and look for my project file. Then this is my project file here. And I'm going to click on it. I'm just going to click and drag it inside my Photoshop here. Drag it inside my Photoshop. Drag it inside my Photoshop. I'll press Ctrl Shift and Alt to resize it. Or just left click and drag it, resize it to fit into the box. And click on OK. Drag it a little bit to the middle. Okay. Alright. Alright, the next we are going to do now is we're going to drag or import other file. Let me use place link this time so you can know how to use the boot method. Alright, that's where my project is. Then my folder, this is it, project. Now then I'll click on this. This is this image Messi. Alright, then I'll increase the size also. Is the size okay? Alright, then I'll click on this checkbox. Let's check first. Okay, make sure this thing is standing right here. So, okay, then click on this place to release this first. Then you come to this side, you click on this rectangular box on this rectangle, then you drag it here like this to form a rectangle. Okay, then press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then you turn on this one again, then click on it. Let's press Ctrl T to reduce it a little bit. It's too big. Okay now. Alright. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on this place where it comes out. We are going to click on the brush tool here. Then come to this place to select your object. Want to separate it, the background and messy. Then click on select. Alright, now we're going to press Ctrl J again to duplicate it. And duplicate it. Then I'm now going to click on Alt. Come to this side until you see, you're going to bring it here until you see this sign. Then you can now click on it, or we'll just right click and we'll click on create clipping mask. And see now already getting there. So now the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to create a background for this thing. You come to this place, click on gradients tool, right, then just pick anyone here. You can just pick anyone. I'm going to have to create my own what's it called? I'm going to create my own gradients. If you don't know how to create gradient, I'm going to put a description link, a link in my description there where you can learn about gradients too. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick the color of this thing. Pick this color first. Okay, the next one here, we're going to pick this color here. And then we're going to pick the last color here. Choose this. Then we create new. This is what we pick. Okay, that's the one I've done before. So you can just walk through it and choose any color that you want. Then you click on OK. This is the one I've done before, and this is the new one I did. Okay, now click on OK and OK. Alright, back clicking on OK. Then we're going to change the blending mode. Just come to this place, click on this, then change the blending mode to like color. This one. Change it to color. Change it to color. Then we can now type in our text. And come to this. Type in our text. Let's see. increase the size of the fonts. Let's make it 60 first. Then we're going to change the cap. So we are going to change the into right. Come to this place. If you want to change it, come to this place, character, and make it as big. Okay. Alright. Then come to the move tool again. Let's see. It here. Let's press Ctrl T to increase the size once more. Then you drag it from both edges. Alright, click on clipping tools now. Okay. Come to the layers here. Now I want to add layer mask to this text and make it to come and make the image and the text to stay behind each other. Then we're going to drag this. We'll first duplicate this image, Ctrl J. Then we'll drag this it up. Then make this one the clipping mask. Clip mask it. After clip masking it, then we go to we click on it. Then go to this blending option. Yeah, blending option. Click on stroke. Click on stroke. Yeah. Then make the size stroke to be like 5 or more, any size you want. Then you click on OK. Click on OK. Then this one you clip mask this one. Come to this clip mask. You see that now. Right. So all right. I believe you have learned one or two things from what I did here. It's just as simple as that. You see it has clip matched to this. Thank you. If this is your first time, once again, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, so next time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Till next time.